LIFE Roseate Tern improved breeding conditions for Europe's rarest breeding seabird at core colonies in Ireland and the United Kingdom. The team enhanced nesting habitat by clearing vegetation, building terraces, nest boxes and floating rafts. They also protected the tern from predators. Data on the bird's diet, foraging ranges and migration behavior were gathered, helping the team develop a long-term conservation strategy. The UK population increased from 73 breeding pairs in 2013 to 131 pairs by the end of the project. The Irish breeding population rose from 1,413 to 1,710 pairs.